Yo, what's up, everybody? It's Damon, and today we're diving into a topic that's as fascinating as it is important: tracking drones. Specifically, how to pinpoint those small, sneaky drones that are becoming more and more common in our skies. Whether you're talking about safety, security, or just understanding what's buzzing around up there, knowing how to track these things is key. We're going deep on the tech here. We'll break down the different methods used to track drones, from radio signals to radar waves to even using sound. Think of it like this: drones are constantly sending out information, whether they mean to or not, and we're going to learn how to pick up those signals and interpret what they mean. So if you're ready to decode the secrets of drone tracking, you've come to the right place. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about radio frequency, or RF detection. This method is all about intercepting the signals that drones use to communicate with their controllers. Think of it like eavesdropping on a conversation, but instead of voices, we're listening in on radio waves. Every time a drone takes flight, it's constantly sending and receiving data. This includes things like GPS coordinates, altitude, speed, and even video footage. RF detection systems are designed to pick up on these signals, analyze them, and then use that information to pinpoint the drone's location. Now, the effectiveness of RF detection can vary depending on a few factors, like the distance between the drone and the detector, any interference from other electronic devices, and even the type of encryption used by the drone's communication protocol. But when it works, it's like having a direct line to the drone's whereabouts. Next up, we've got radar, a technology that's been around for a while, but it's still incredibly effective when it comes to tracking drones. Radar works by emitting radio waves and then analyzing the signals that bounce back after hitting an object. Now you might be thinking, can radar really detect something as small as a drone? And the answer is, surprisingly, yes. Modern radar systems are incredibly sensitive. They can detect even the faintest reflections from small drones, even in cluttered environments. But it gets even cooler. Some advanced radar systems can even distinguish between a drone and a bird based on factors like flight patterns and the speed of the object. It's like having a superpower that lets you see through walls and track tiny objects in the sky. Let's switch gears now and talk about acoustic sensors, which use sound to track drones. You see, those spinning propellers on a drone create a very distinct noise signature, almost like a fingerprint. Acoustic sensors are designed to pick up on these unique sound patterns and then use algorithms to differentiate between a drone and, say, the hum of traffic or the wind rustling through trees. What's really interesting about acoustic sensors is that they're particularly effective in urban environments where other tracking methods, like RF detection, might struggle with interference. Think of them like the noise-canceling headphones of the drone tracking world, able to isolate and identify even the faintest drone buzz. Moving on to visual tracking, a method that relies on, you guessed it, cameras. But we're not just talking about any cameras here. We're talking about advanced systems equipped with high-resolution sensors, powerful zoom lenses, and most importantly, artificial intelligence. These AI-powered cameras can scan the skies, automatically detect drones based on their shape and movement patterns, and then track their movements in real time. Some systems are even sophisticated enough to identify the make and model of a drone just from its visual appearance. Visual tracking is becoming increasingly popular because it's highly effective and relatively affordable compared to some of the other methods we've discussed. Finally, let's talk about GPS tracking devices, which offer a more direct way to track drones. This method involves physically attaching a small GPS tracker to the drone itself. Now, this might not be feasible for tracking unknown drones, but it's a great option for drone owners who want to keep tabs on their own aircraft. These trackers use satellite signals to determine the drone's location and then transmit that data back to the owner in real time. The beauty of GPS tracking is that it provides accurate location information regardless of the drone's altitude and speed, or surrounding environment. It's like having a digital leash on your drone, ensuring you always know where it is. So, there you have it. a rundown of the most effective ways to track small drones using signals and technology. From RF detection to GPS trackers, each method has its strengths and weaknesses, making it crucial to choose the right tool for the job. Remember, understanding how these technologies work is just the first step. The real challenge lies in using them responsibly and ethically. Drone tracking raises important questions about privacy and security, and it's crucial to engage in thoughtful discussions about these issues. Now, I want to hear from you. What are your thoughts on drone tracking technology? Have you ever had an experience with a drone that made you wonder if it was being tracked? Drop your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more deep dives into the world of tech.